What if I tell you that there is one trading bot project in the DeFi space where it is impossible for the team to rug the project, that the project can't get out of liquidity, and that you keep 100% custody of the fund in your own wallet, and that it's a realistic scenario to make over 1% a day? Have we found the perfect project? Let's get into it. I will tell you everything in the next couple minutes. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Simon. Welcome to Blockchain Yeti. On this channel, we talk about everything crypto, DeFi, and NFT. If you like this content, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and comment. We're still a small YouTube channel, and your interaction make a world of difference for us to help us to gain some traction on the YouTube algorithm. Also, before we start, I've got to tell you this important disclaimer is that this video is not meant to be financial advice. The crypto market are extremely volatile. Enter at your own risk. The project is Alchemy Trades. Alchemy Trade is an algorithmic trading bot made to use spot grid trading directly on the blockchain through major decentralized Web3 exchange using grid trading strategy. To sum it up in one sentence, this is it. But let me go a bit in depth and why I find this project so interesting and, well, exciting. So, what's so different with Alchemy Trade compared to other trading bot projects is that with Alchemy Trade, you never have to deposit any of your fund to a smart contract to deposit on a centralized exchange that is at the mercy of the regulator or even to pay a subscription fees. All that because the way Alchemy Trade work is that once you pay the one-time fee to get in, they give you a license key to their unique proprietary algo trading software, you set it up, and you let it run. But there's only one caveat with that, is that you either need to run 24/7 on a computer, the software, or you can rent a VPS, a virtual machine if you prefer, for a couple of months to any VPS hosting company. If you're not that tech savvy at all, it can be a bit more tricky than just sending your fund to a smart contract. But the Alchemy Trades team and community offer 24/7 support on their Discord, and the Alchemy Trade teams already made a ton of documentation and video on how to all set it up. So trust me, it's not all that complicated. I've witnessed many people that was not tech savvy at all, and that they were able to connect to the Alchemy Trade software and make some great trade completely automatically. So, grid trading, what it is when orders are placed above and below a set price, creating a grid of order at incrementally increasing and decreasing price. Grid trading is mostly commonly associated with Forex or crypto. Overall, the techniques seek to capitalize on normal price volatility in an asset by placing buy and sell order at a certain regular interval above and below predefined base price. So, what the bot does, it's between a grid that you pre-select. When the pair you trade go down, it will buy it up, and when it go up, it will sell it. It's that simple. Buy low, sell high, but constantly 24/7 as long as you got the bot open. And since it's spot trading and not future, there is no risk of liquidation. Let's say that you trade Matic USDC. The worst thing that could happen is that you end up with more Matic or more USDC. In both cases, it's a great deal. Over a long period of time, in theory, unless the market crash and never recover, you will always end up winning. Of course, you will mostly need to trade with a bit more fun than you will do in crypto future for similar result, but the risk level is, to me, way below. But someone that will want to go on the riskier side for more profit could trade a more volatile pair like Nitromatic. That's one of the favorite in the Alchemy Trades community. The biggest risk is that you could end up holding the nitro bag if the coin goes down and never recover. But taking that risk on the short time will in theory enable you to make more because of high volatility of the pair. And that's another great thing. With Alchemy Trade, you can trade almost any pair that your mind can conceive as long as it is on the blockchain. This strategy does not depend on a specific pair, but mostly on volatility. As long as it goes up and down, up and down, up and down, the Alchemy trading bot will trade it. Now that we've talked about the mechanic of Alchemy and its core principle, let's talk about the team and some of the key community members of Alchemy Trade. The founders. There's 2 founders. They are not publicly doxed, but are KYC'd by Obsidian. I don't really mind because they can't rug. It's not a smart contract, so that's cool. Anyway, they're KYC'd with Obsidian. So, the lead developer is Alchemy. He accumulated 8 years in the crypto market, 2 years in DeFi, 18 months of algo trading, and he is a full-time crypto trader. Cool. And now, Serge is the cybersecurity architect of the project. They have a very, very big emphasis on cybersecurity. From his bio on the Alchemy Trade website, he has 20 years of IT, 15 years of cybersecurity, and has been in DeFi for 1 year. So when it comes to cybersecurity and protecting your data, making sure that the software doesn't implode of it on itself, that's great. Now for the key community member, there is so many. I would like to mention everyone in the Alchemy community, but at the end of the day, I'm sure I will end up missing some, but here are some that I had personal interaction with or that I often see very active on the chat. Now, the first one is Pocket Ace. Pocket Ace is a well-known figure in DeFi. If you're watching this video, you probably heard of him, or you're even maybe watching his YouTube channel. He has a great YouTube channel. You can subscribe. Pocket Ace is known for his transparency, and he worked with multiple great projects. He is publicly doxed, and he worked as a Discord mod with Alchemy Trade. The other Discord mod being OXMay, Eden, Tadus Prime, Logic, and they're all being very efficient and proactive in the Alchemy Discord channel. I'm sure I'm missing some, and I'm terribly sorry for it. The Alchemy Trade community is one of the best that I've found. No drama. Everyone seems to naturally help each other. That's some great people. And this far, I've been appreciating a lot my time in the Alchemy Trade Discord. Talking about the Alchemy Trade Discord, that's not all, because there are 5 channels on the Alchemy Discord where professional traders share their great trading strategy and how they use the Alchemy Trades tool or bot if you prefer. These 5 traders being OXMay, Deep, Logic, and Coin Buddha. So with Alchemy, it's not only a tool and a software, but a whole community that makes sure that each other has everything to succeed with this tool, so you will not be left alone. Right now, in its actual version, I will agree that Alchemy Trade is a bit rough around the edge, but trust me, it's a blessing in disguise, because the way it works is that the earlier you are in the project, the least you pay for your license. When I got in, it was around $400. Now I think it's $500. And from what I understand, in V5, when V5 will get released, that means pretty soon, it will be around $1,000 for a license. And trust me, I think it's completely worth it. And those prices are only if my information are correct. Even though the interface could benefit from some polish, the mechanics and strategies of Alchemy Trade are working completely fine. I can't say much because it's not been released yet, and I've been blessed with a beta access, but the V5 will offer an experience similar to any big exchange and a plethora of new features. That will be the moment that Alchemy Trade will be ready to go mainstream. All that to say that the Alchemy Trades future look bright, and I'm glad to be part of this amazing community building a solid project in DeFi, a project that can't rug, stole your money, or get out of liquidity. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We are still a small YouTube channel, and it makes a world of difference for the algorithm when you do interact with our channel. My name is Simon, this is Blockchain Yeti, and I'll see you in the next video.